Besides putting a ring on the beds, what I also do is measure the 7th primary. The primary are its main wing feathers, and they have 10 on each wing. So you've got 10, 9, 8, 7. So if you measure the unfurled feather from the quill, that's 78 millimeters. So if I look on my graph, 78 millimeters, that'll equate to 43 days old. So she is 6 weeks old, this bird. Just a good way of telling. And also, a way of sexing them, if you look underneath the wing, this bird, it doesn't have any dark speckles, which is a good indicator of that is a male. I will show you what a female looks like, but this, it's light colouring on its back, so I would definitely put this down as a male bird. I'll just stop